Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion from Monday, February 26, 2018. It's currently 8 a.m. and it's not too bad out. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 30s over the far northern interior, lower to mid 40s in your suburbs, and mid to upper 40s along the coast and in the Delaware River Valley. We have a northwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour with some low clouds and some areas of fog as an area low pressure passes to our south. Currently over Virginia, will be passing to our south today, producing the threat for a few isolated showers. Most locations will remain dry. On the surface map, you can see high pressure starting to build in. Here's that wave of low pressure. This low pressure system will cut through the Delmarva Peninsula, head to the south of New Jersey, and as a result, we could see a few isolated showers build into the region. Very light precipitation, nothing like what we saw this weekend. And for the most part, though, we'll just have variable clouds with clearing skies by the time we get to this afternoon and evening. On the latest radar, you can see that rainfall building, but because of the suppression of the low pressure system to our south and east, all of this rainfall will remain well off the coast. But again, this northern edge right here is going to quickly move to the northeast, and this part of the precipitation shield will basically move over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas with the threat for a few isolated showers. Most locations, though, again, will remain cloudy through the early afternoon before we start to clear out. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see the cloud cover with this associated area low pressure moving through. But again, the whole mean trough is starting to push east. So all of this cloud cover will exit the coast by the time we get to this evening with far more improving weather conditions. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for variable cloud cover clearing towards the evening. Temperatures will rise into the upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast and lower to mid 50s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight through tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover with winds generally light and variable. There could be some areas of fog to contend with, but otherwise tranquil weather conditions in place with lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the region. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover, winds developing out of the southwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and highs rising into the upper 40s to lower 50s along the immediate coast, and lower to mid 50s everywhere else. On Wednesday, high pressure starts to exit. Look for increasing clouds as an area of low pressure rapidly starts to intensify over the plains. This is going to be a storm to watch as we head towards the end of the week. Look for temperatures to range from the mid-30s for lows and mid-50s for highs. On Thursday, our area low pressure rapidly intensifies. This warm front starts to push north, and that's going to lead to periods of showers developing towards the afternoon and evening hours. Look for a stiff easterly wind intensifying as you move towards the evening hours, and this structure of a storm is going to support the potential for some localized flash flooding and also coastal flooding. So those of you right along the coast, I would prepare now for the potential for some pretty significant coastal flooding as we move towards the end of the week for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, which I'll show you in just a moment. So on Thursday, look for those showers to develop towards the afternoon and evening hours, with temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. On Friday, our storm jumps towards the coast and rapidly deepens down to 984 millibars based on the latest consensus of model data. With this storm developing, first of all, for the most part, most locations at this time looks like it's just going to be rain. Those of you in the interior, the Poconos, northwest New Jersey, parts of the Hudson River Valley, this could be more of a heavy rain to snow event. There's a lot of details we're still working out here. One thing I can tell you with this powerful storm, you see how the isobars here are packed? This is going to be a very windy storm. So with that being the case, definitely be prepared for the potential for some minor to moderate wind damage, power outages. Again, we talked about the coastal flooding threat, and also very poor visibility in the heavy precipitation, whether that be rain or snow. Right now, again, for the most part, it looks like a pretty heavy rain event for much of the region, but those of you in the higher elevations, be on guard as this could turn over into a very heavy wet snow event, basically snowing cement with this type of structure. Not a lot of cold air with this storm, but enough to cause some mischief. Now on Friday, we're going to look at temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s for lows along the coast, lower to mid 30s over the higher elevations. For high temperatures, upper 30s to lower 40s over those higher elevations and lower to mid 40s along the coast, which is why we're looking at this as mostly a rain event with those warm surface boundary layers. On Saturday, the storm exits. Look for showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies. Notice again, very tight isobars. This means that Saturday, even with the precipitation leaving, is still going to be windy. Watch out for downed trees, down power lines, power outages. You run the gambit. And of course, the threat for coastal flooding. With the storm leaving, you're going to have temperatures rebound just a bit, mid-30s for lows, upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. On Sunday, we clear out with high pressure and control, scattered cloud cover, temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-30s for lows and mid-40s for highs. And on Monday, high pressure remains in place with scattered cloud cover. Temperatures again remaining slightly below normal for this time of year, but nothing that we can't handle as March continues to roll in like a lion, looking for lows in the mid to upper 20s and highs in the lower to mid 40s. And then we're going to watch this storm track basically through the Great Lakes and towards our neck of the woods with the potential for similar impacts to what we're seeing towards the end of the week, but probably not as intense. So we'll keep an eye on that as well as our active, warmer weather pattern takes hold. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.